For 25 years, I was you, visiting Port A, wondering what would it be like to own here. And then we did it. And here's everything that I wish somebody would have told us first. This is the island in plain facts. This is a real barrier island. You've got free 24/7 ferry, or you've got 361 coming in from Corpus Christi. It's a small town with a big season, and you're buying both versions. The Gulf Beach is a public road, golf carts are transportation, and Lowe's is the hometown grocery store. This is the charm and the constraint. And if your plan is to make this home or maybe a second home, I met my first island friend coming out of the Ace hardware store. He was walking in, saw my bumper sticker from the Marine Corps, my MOS 0351. He happened to be the same MOS, so we stopped and we chatted, talked a little bit. And he said, brother, you know, people aren't really standoffish here. It's just that it's an island and, well, people do come and go and people don't want to invest in you if you're not going to be around, and so they're going to wait and see if you're going to stay before they really start to warm up to you. Now, of course, if you've got kids, then you've got a head start because they're going to have play dates, or if they're a little bit older, you'll meet their friends in passing. But either way, you're going to meet people that way too. And if you don't have kids, then volunteer. This town, the lifeblood of this town is its organizations, and there's a bunch of good ones. SandFest, I volunteer at the ARC, the Amos Rehabilitation Keep. We save the sea turtles, Kemp's Ridley, amongst others, and the seabirds and other good stuff. And if you want to, then have a drink over at Venetian Hot Plate or La Playa. Now, if you don't drink, you can have iced tea and appetizers at the bar, but sit at the bar. I mean, I know, don't take your kids there, but maybe you and your significant other sit at the bar and talk to people. You will meet people and find out so much interesting information sitting at the bar and having appetizers at La Playa and Venetian Hot Plate. Oh yes, and here's a brief primer on how to survive the season like a local. Number one, right turns only. Brother, trying to cross Alistair during 4th of July is dang near impossible. Learn the back roads, there's not that many, it'll get you around. And stock up. Don't try and go grocery shopping anywhere near a holiday. And then hibernate. Let the tourists do their thing. And then Sunday, 10 to 3, never, ever try to leave the island on a Sunday from 10 to 3. Either get out real early or wait real late. And why the locals don't eat out so much in season? You know, 2-3 hour waits, and most restaurants don't take reservations. The upside, the off-season restaurant scene feels like it belongs to you. And here's the logistics that nobody researches. Healthcare. Honestly, guys, there's no ER here. We got one country doctor. Now, what we do have are top-notch first responders. They are committed and dedicated, and that will get you an ambulance ride to Corpus. Now, the schools, it's small enough to be like a private school. Very small classroom sizes. Teachers know every kid. And the principal's line to my daughter when she entered middle school when we first got here, and that it was, if you do anything wrong in this town, your parents will know before you get home. He was half joking, but all true. And the scholarship machine. SandFest isn't a scholarship, or SandFest isn't a sandcastle festival. It is a scholarship generator. Last year, they gave roughly $275,000 behind a class of about 45 seniors, earned through Marlin hours. It's volunteering. So the more volunteer you work in the community, the more scholarships you earn. It's the community that funds the kids, and the serve kids the community. That loop is the town. Common mistake, and that is buying the vacation, not the island. Modeling the mortgage, but not the life. A little hurricane honesty here. Since Harvey, there's been one evacuation call, and when a storm comes, this is a mandatory evacuation community. I mean, they move all the emergency vehicles to high ground. There is literally no one here to help you when the time comes. And so owners board up early, because if you wait until the trajectory of the hurricane firms up and you know it's going to hit here, it's literally too late. There's not going to be anybody left to help you board up. So board up early and come back safe. Who really thrives here? I'll tell you. It's people who have the love of the island, of the beach life, making memories with kids and grandkids and friends. I'm sorry, man, but if this is just dollar signs, you'll be selling in 2 years and leaving your equity here at the beach. All of this, the whole lifestyle layer, the costs, the neighborhoods, the buying process, is in the free Port A Buyer Starter Kit. The link's below, and if you're wondering whether Port A fits what you're picturing, just tell me what you're considering. Full-time, second home, rental, retirement, or just exploring? One sentence is enough. There's no pressure. That's not how this island works. We're all on island time here.